What's up guys, quick little video for you today. I'm going to show you how to block ads in Safari. Now I'm pretty sure all of us have had those annoying ads that just pop up out of nowhere and won't go away when we're on Safari. So in order to block the ad in Safari, you need to download a free app called BlockBear. Now when you go into the app, make sure these three options are turned on as well as the one on top. Now all we're going to do is press ready, press done, and that's it. After that you need to go into settings, scroll down to Safari, click on extensions and then turn on BlockBear in order to eliminate all ads in Safari. Now once you've done all that, make sure you close all three apps from the multitasking screen. And as you can see here, there is no more ad. And that's how to block ads in Safari. Anyways guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed, and let me know what else you want to see. But that's all I got, and as always, thank you, I appreciate you, and I will see you guys in the next video.